Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with that frustrating blinking blue light on your PlayStation controller in 2025, you're not alone. This issue often means your controller is struggling to connect, but don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple fixes step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your controller up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your controller's battery level. If it's low, plug it in using the USB cable and let it charge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes, a simple charge can resolve the blinking issue. Once it's charged, try turning on your PlayStation and see if the controller pairs automatically. If that doesn't work, it's time for a reset. Locate the small reset button on the back of your controller. It's usually near the L2 button. Use a paperclip or a pin to press and hold it for about 5 seconds. After resetting, reconnect the controller by holding the PlayStation button until the light bar starts flashing. Then, go to your console's settings under Devices, and select Bluetooth Devices to pair it manually. Another common culprit is outdated software. Make sure your PlayStation is running the latest system software. Head to the Settings menu, go to System, and check for updates. Install any available ones, as they often fix connectivity bugs. Also, try restarting your console. Power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If you're still seeing that blinking blue light, there might be interference. Move closer to your console, ensure there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby, or even try a different USB port. In rare cases, the issue could be hardware related, like a faulty cable or controller. If nothing works, consider contacting PlayStation support or replacing the controller. There you have it, easy steps to fix your PlayStation controller. I hope this helps you get back to gaming quickly. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.